How to choose the right color scheme for your room. Choosing the right color scheme for your room is a foundational step in creating a space that feels cohesive, calming, or energizing, depending on your intent. With Homestyler, you can test color combinations before committing to paint or decor purchases. Start by identifying the mood you want for the room. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows create energy and warmth, while cool colors like blues, greens, and purples evoke calm and relaxation. Neutrals like beige, white, and gray are versatile and provide balance. Once you've chosen a general tone, use Homestyler's material editor to apply colors to walls, furniture, floors, and even ceilings. Try out complementary schemes like blue and orange or monochromatic looks using various shades of one color. Don't forget lighting. Use Homestyler's real-time 3D view to see how colors look under different light sources. You can switch between natural daylight, warm lighting, and spotlights to evaluate the effect. Add accent colors through pillows, rugs, and art. Use the drag and drop tool to quickly swap items and test variations. Color experimentation becomes fun and risk-free. Want to explore curated palettes? Homestyler provides preset themes that make color matching easy. These are great starting points if you're unsure where to begin. The link in the description lets you join Homestyler for free. With it, you can take your ideas from imagination to realistic visuals without any design background. Color affects emotion and function. Use Homestyler to experiment, refine, and settle on a color scheme that truly suits your space.